Next, state true or false. Again there are 4 to 5 questions. So first is Kusum buys some chocolates at a rate of rupees 10 per chocolate. She also buys equal number of candies at a rate of rupees 5 per candy. She makes a profit of 20% on chocolates and 8% profit on candies. At the end of the day, all chocolates and candies are sold out and her profit is rupees 240. Therefore, Kusum buys 100 chocolate. Now we have to find out whether this is true or false. Read the question again. Understand it properly. Okay. Some chocolates and some candies. Rate is given. Cost price is 10. For chocolates and candies it is 5. Profit percentage is 20% for chocolate and 8% for candies. Now this is only given. Now what you have to do is you have to find out the profit per piece in rupees. Okay. So it will be how much? 20% on 10 rupees. So it will be 2. 8% on 5 rupees. So it will be 40 paise. That is 0.4 rupees. Okay. Now this is the profit per chocolate and per candy. Okay. Now total profit she makes is 240. So if she sells one chocolate and one candy, the total profit which she makes is 2 rupees plus 0.4. So 2.4, right? So 2.4 rupees is the profit per chocolate and candy sold together. Now what they are saying? Both have been sold out and profit is 240. Total profit is 240 and per item combined together the profit is 2.4. So how many items sold? 240 upon 2.4, right? Because this is the profit for one and this is the total profit. So when you solve this, it becomes 2400 upon 24. This point goes over here and here 10 adds. So 24 ones and hundreds. So each item was sold 100 chocolates and 100 candies. Okay. So the question for true or false is Kusum bought 100 chocolates or sold 100 chocolates. So that is true. Both she has bought 100 and sold 100. So the answer is true.